Myself, SHAIK SayadBasha. I have completed my BTech from Aditya College of Engineering, graduating in the year 2025. After the completion of my college, I had joined PYSPIDERS Basavanagudi, taking the course Python Full Stack integrated with DevOps. I got joined in PYSPIDERS Basavanagudi at January, and I have completed my DevOps mock. I gratefully thank Srijita ma'am and Visan sir who actively helped me to clear all the mocks and helped me to gain the knowledge and skills on those. I sincerely thank Nikhil sir, who is your HR, for his intensive support. I got placed in my second interview itself. There were 3 rounds, and the first there are two technical rounds, and the last one is HR round. I successfully cleared those 3 rounds.